using the Morphee 35M palette, and the 3 shades that I'm gonna go back and forth with, which is this orange, green, and brown shade, is Express Yourself, which is this green right here, Fired Up, which is the orange, and Sparks Fly, which is this brown one right here. I'm just gonna be building those 3 shades back and forth, so you're gonna see me jump from color to color, and I thought it was best to just let you guys know because it's only 3 shades. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I just used a Morphee 514 brush to apply that orange shade, and I'm gonna take another Morphee 514 brush and I'm gonna apply that green shade. I'm also gonna bring these colors into my crease just so when I cut it, it can be nice and defined. And to apply the brown shade, I'm going to be using Morphee 573. I'm going to take the Morphee 562 and I'm going to go back into the orange shade and apply it in my inner corner. And I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to try to leave a little space in between the shades. So now I'm going in with the brown shade, and the reason why I blended the concealer out on the outer part is because sometimes when I don't, it's very, very hard to blend together with the eyeshadow. So I just want to soften it up a little bit just so that the eyeshadows will blend into each other nicely. I'm feeling pretty confident with the eyeshadows that I have, so I'm just going to clean up with this Morphee M520-0. And I'm just going to go over this concealer. And I'm also going to try to use this to set it with my translucent setting powder, which might be a bad idea, but hey. I'm going to be using these lashes, which is the Tarte lashes in the style Heartbreaker. Just using the Physicians Formula Collagen Serum. I like to use this before I actually go on with primer. So while I let that collagen serum sit on my skin and do its job, I'm just going to go in with the e.l.f. Dip Brow, the e.l.f. Lock On Liner in the shade Espresso, and I'm going to fill in my brows. gonna go in with the Milani Prime Light. I'm just gonna mix that with the MAC Hyper Real foundation in the shade Bronze. So now I'm gonna take these Cover Fix drops and I'm only gonna apply it in the areas that I highlight because it's like glittery as hell and I'm scared of it. Now I'm gonna use some of my MAC Fix Plus. I know I'm being extra, y'all. Being extra, but I'm trying to be cute. Okay. I'm gonna take my foundation and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 340. I'm gonna cream contour and I'm using my Revolution concealer in the shade C16. I'm gonna highlight and conceal with the Revolution concealer in the shade C12. Set it with my Airspun translucent setting powder. So before I go ahead and bronze up my face, I'm just gonna set my entire face with the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 355 Coconut. I'm gonna bronze using my Lancome in the shade 355 Suede. The contour using L'Oreal True Match in the shade Cool Freud. Finish up my eyes and I'm just gonna go in with those three colors in the same order that I applied them already. I just used a dark blue eyeliner in my waterline. And now we're gonna go into highlighter, but not. First I'm gonna set my face and I'm using the Morphee Continuous Setting Mist. Ooh, this stuff feels good and it smells good. So I'm gonna highlight with a Jelly Highlighter by Revolution and this Monumental is the shade. Haven't I had enough of busting up my eyeshadow? It's pretty. Sure, I can intensify it, but I don't want to. I'm just gonna go in with the Revolution Sophie X highlight, and I'm gonna take this gold shade right here because you know I'm golden right now. So, ooh. The combo though, baby. You can't tell me you don't see her though. Girl. So I'm going in with the Leah Matte Lipstick in the shade Try Again. I'm gonna set my face again. Soap smells so good, y'all. I feel like this side dry. Okay, there we go. Okay. I'm gonna need another one really soon. This is my finished look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.